Ever wonder if drinking beer could actually be good for you? Beer doesn't just help you relax, ladies. It's the kind of drink that makes your body shout, "Hey, I need beer." So here are 5 science-backed health benefits of drinking beer. And the last one will make everyone want a glass. Number 1, it supports heart health. Moderate beer drinkers tend to have slightly higher good HDL cholesterol, which helps protect against heart disease and keeps your blood flowing smoothly. Number 2, it strengthens your bones. Beer is rich in dietary silicon, a mineral that helps your body build and maintain bone density. That means your skeleton quietly says, "Thank you," after that cold pint. Number 3, it can boost kidney function. Studies show that 1 beer a day may lower the risk of kidney stones, thanks to its natural diuretic effect and high water content. Number 4, it supports brain health. Beer contains B vitamins and antioxidants that may protect brain cells from damage, helping reduce the risk of cognitive decline with age. Finally, number 5, it may help you relax and sleep better. Beer contains hops, a natural plant compound that has calming properties, helping you unwind after a stressful day. So yes, beer can have some benefits, but only when enjoyed responsibly. Too much flips all those perks into problems. In the next video, I will show you how to drink beer properly. Comment yes if you want it, and follow me for more fun, science-backed health tips.